In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion formulas to convert minutes to hours. By the end, you'll have a simple table that instantly turns any number of minutes into hours, saving you time and keeping your tracking consistent. First, open the Notion website and sign in. From your workspace, create a new page by clicking New Page. Give your page a clear name so you can find it later. Let's call it Time Conversion. For this tutorial, choose a table as the main content for the page. If you see options, pick a full-page table so it's easy to work with. Now, set up your columns. The first column is the title column. Rename it to Task so you can label each item. Add a second column called Minutes, and make sure its property type is number. This ensures Notion understands you're entering numeric values. Then add a third column named Hours. We'll make this a formula property so it can calculate the conversion automatically. Enter your data next. In the task column, type the names of your tasks. In the minutes column, type the time each task took in minutes. You can add as many rows as you need. The formula will handle all of them once it's in place. When your data is in, click the hours column header, then choose Edit Property. Change the property type to Formula. In the formula editor that opens, type this formula exactly, prop minutes 60. This divides the number in the minutes column by 60 and returns the value in hours. Click Done to save. You'll see the hours column fill in automatically for every row. If you entered 90 minutes, you'll see 1.5 hours. If you want a cleaner display, you can round to 2 decimal places by using round prop minutes 62. That's optional, but it makes the results consistent. You can also adjust the display format for numbers to show the same number of decimals across the column. From now on, anytime you add a new task and enter the minutes, Notion will instantly convert it to hours in the hours column. There's nothing else you need to do, no manual math, no extra steps. This setup works great for time tracking, meeting logs, study sessions, or any workflow where you record minutes and want to see hours at a glance. That's it. Open Notion, create a page, build a table with task, minutes, and hours, add your data, edit the hours property as a formula, and let Notion handle the conversion automatically.